Hi, I'm Christopher Joyce, and I'm part of the Scrub Daddy team, and I'm also known as the Dean of Clean. And I do indeed love Scrub Daddy, but I also love Scrub Mommy. A lot of people ask, what is the difference between Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy? Well, let me tell you, it's pretty easy. So the original Scrub Daddy is a highly engineered polymer foam. And what's really wonderful about it is that it is scratch resistant on over a dozen surfaces. Not only that, it changes texture by just changing the temperature of the water. Now, the Scrub Mommy also has that incredible FlexTexture side I talked about, has all the same properties, but 50% of the Scrub Mommy has that proprietary ResoFoam. The wonderful thing about the ResoFoam is that it is super absorbent. In fact, it absorbs 6 times its weight in water. But not only that, take a look at this. With just a little dollop of soap, it's going to generate 60% more suds than your average double-sided sponge. Look at this. It just generates suds and suds and suds and suds and suds. Oh, and more suds and more suds and more suds. Remember, 60% more suds than your average double-sided sponge. So we've been using Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy primarily in the kitchen, but you can use it all around the house, including the bathroom. Let's go see how it works there. Come with me. So in the bathroom, Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy, they really give you a 1-2 punch. I like to use the Scrub Daddy on the rougher surfaces, like the tile, getting into the corner here where the grout lines are. But when you go to the shower glass surfaces, that's where I love Scrub Mommy. Because you can scrub, you flip, and you wipe, and your job is done. So now back to the kitchen for one more thing. So back in the kitchen, you can use your Scrub Mommy to scrub, flip, and wipe, just like we did in the bathroom. Here, I'll show you. So you put the FlexTexture side in some cold water, and that firms it up. And that means you're gonna be able to take care of things, for instance, on a glass top stove that's sensitive to scratching, but yet just that cold water firms up your Scrub Mommy enough to take care of that burned on mess. And remember, you scrub, you flip, and you wipe. And it's squeaky clean. Now that you know the difference between Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy, we want to hear from you. Where's your favorite place to use Scrub Daddy versus Scrub Mommy? Also, if you have any other questions about Scrub Daddy products, we want to hear from you. Put those questions in the comments as well, and we'll be sure to answer them for you. Well, bye for now, and keep smiling.